Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Data Tech. I am Mrityunjay Kumar Singh. In the previous video, I gave demo on static partition. In this video, I will discuss one use case and will give demo on bucketing. So let us start. I will show you the one use case. Currently suppose we have a partition table. Not we have, I think I have dropped it. Let me create it once again. Go to prompt and sort tables first. Yes, that table is not there. Now I'm going to create it. Sort tables. Come on. Table is created. I will go to file system and we will refresh it. Dynamic accounts created. There is no data. We will load it also. Go to Notepad and we will load it from we are going to load from accounts table. Come here, prompt and paste it. Running. Map reduced job is running now. Great, it's loaded. Let me come to file system here. Let me refresh it. 4 folders are created as expected. Now come to our use case. What is use case? Currently we have a partition table account state part that we have seen here. So partitions account state part. Yeah. So as per our requirement right now we have a table, partition table, account state part. Partition column is state. Requirement is to change the partition column from state to city. We'll write select statement also. Select star home. Here. In this table, this is the partition one, right? Now we have some city here, Mumbai, Nagpur, Mangalore. So we are going to partition column as city. So what we will do? First we will create a new partition table because existing partition table you cannot do it. So we will create a new partition table. It is created. Here again customer ID, first name, last name, state, zip code is there and partition by city. So we are going to partition by city and our existing partition is the partition is as a state. So our requirement is to change from state to city. As we cannot change existing one, so we have created a new partition table, partition column as city. Now we need to load the data. Where is the data? Data in the existing partition table. For that we need to inserting table name, new table is city part and partition is value is city. From where we have to take? We have to take from account state part. One thing more I want to say here, while selecting the existing table, we have given CT in the last, because we know CT is the partitioned column, and CT, as it is a partitioned column, it will be the last one in the table. If we describe it, we'll find in the last. You want to see? I will show you. Describe table accounts underscore CT underscore part. What is wrong? Semantic. Describe table accounts, table not found. Okay. Describe, there is no keyword table required here. See here, customer ID, first name, last name, zip code, and CT is the last one because it is a partition column. That's why here you see CT is the last in the select statement. Now copy this one. So what is we're expecting? We're expecting that it should be loaded with as per the number of distinct CT inside the account state part table. Load it here. It is running before. Okay. Then show partition. Table name is accounts underscore CT underscore part. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 rows are there. It means there are 9 distinct value of CT is there. So 9 folders are created. Now we'll go to browse this file system. What is the folder? This CT account. So in CT account, how many directory will be there? 9 directory will be there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 directories are there. Let me see any one. CT equal to Bangalore. Now we will download it. Before downloading, what earlier, we'll remove this one. Move to Thrash. Go back to browse system. Download it. Save. Close. Go back to download folders. Reload. See here, come to, there will be only one row. If you go and see, let me select start from accounts underscore state underscore part. From this was the source, and what is the folder city name? Bangalore. See here. See this one. There is only one row. There is only one person from Bangalore. Got it? So let me go back to Notepad here. So as per our use case, what we did, we are able to implement it. We are able to change the partition column from state to CT. State had 4 directories. Now CT have distinct value of 9. So 9 folders are created. Want to be noted, in partition folders are created. Now we'll go to bucketing in Hives. We'll show the example here. So we'll create a table and we'll see how many, and with the requirement right now. There is, suppose we have requirement of to create 3 buckets. As per formula, we able to find out we have to create 3 buckets. What is the command here? We are creating table name, and then suppose these are the columns. I'm going to create a partition one. So partition by, and then state is the partition column, and cluster by CT into 3 buckets. So bucketed column is CT, and that we are going to divide into 3 buckets. So 3 files will be created under each partition column. Right now we have data of 4 distinct state value. So under each state directory there will be 3 files. Let me create it. It is created. Bucketing accounts created. Now, so what will happen here? It is a state is equal to partition column, and CT is the value for bucketing. We have taken, for example, 3 buckets to create. Now we have to load it. To load it, same as usual, right? The way you are going to load static dynamic partition. So we are loading it here. Loaded. Great. Now we'll go to file system. Go back. Whatever the folder name, again go back to SD admin, bucket accounts. So what you are expecting? 4 directory. Yes, because it is a partition table and there are 4 values of distinct values of state is there. So 4 folders are created. Now what we expect, there's every folder should have 3 files. Go to Karnataka folder. 3 files are there. Every folder will have 3 files. This is the file, because see here it is a R. There is no D here. But in the case of directory there is a D. So what we can include, or you will go back to Karnataka and see any one file. Let me go to downloads here. Let me remove it. Move to thrash. Now go to file system and just click one. Download it. Save file. Come to download folders. Click it. Reload it. See here, there is one data is here. So what do we understand in bucketing? In this example, we created a partition with bucketing. Bucket value was 3. So 3 files are created under each partition. Come to Notepad. And this is the end of my demo. This is all for today. Also, this is the end of the Hive partitioning and bucketing sessions. In the next video, I will discuss about Hive joins and more. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel for my upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching.